Hola! Welcome to my third video. The look that I'm going to do today is this one, and I can call it a vintage look because of my hair. Shout out to my cousin that did my hair. Her name is Marta. This is beautiful, this is snatched, and I just used one palette to do this all eye look. And if you want to see how I created this, keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and comment down below everything that you want to know. I'm going to list all the products that I used in my face on the description box. Follow me on my social media. That is Instagram basically. I don't have Twitter. So yeah, it's Media Makeup. And yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to prime, and I'm going to use the Pierre René Makeup Base Illuminating. This one, yeah. The second product that I'm going to use is foundation. That is NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. This one. Now that I did my foundation, I'm going to conceal with Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and my shade is the number 15. I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, in the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and in my chin. Now I'm going to set my face with setting powder, and my powder is from Kat Von D and is the translucent setting powder Lock It. I'm going to set under my eyes, and I put a little bit of more powder under my eyes, and then I do the rest of my face. And you need to be quick when you are setting your face so that your makeup doesn't crease. Now I'm going to use a bigger brush for the rest of my face. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the ORIFLAME Beauty in the color Blush Touch Duo, and I'm going to use this brush. I don't know the name actually, but it's another technique that you can do to bronze your face. It's quicker, and if you do it right, you will get a não sei como é que se diz, flawless finish. You get it. I'm going to snatch my nose with a tiny brush. Now I'm going to buff it out with a bigger brush. I'm going to squeeze in like this and just blend everything so that we don't have harsh lines. Okay. Now to blush I'm going to use actually a lipstick, and it's Maybelline New York. It's from Maybelline New York and it's the color Rose Blush. Yeah, and it's the number 713. It's like this peachy color. It's really pretty. What I usually do with a lipstick to apply it like a blush, first I apply it in my hand. I warm it up in my hand like this. And then with this brush, you can use a similar brush but more dense. I don't have one, so I'm going to use this one. It works the same. And I just grab the product, just like this. And then I place it on my cheeks. And with this technique, I'm able not to move my foundation and get a really nice blush cheek. I'm so cute with blush. I love blush. It gives me color. It gives me color, guys. You need to wear blush because you want color. You don't want to be a ghost, okay? You don't want to look like a ghost. Put some color on your cheeks. It doesn't hurt. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. I just finished to do my brows and I primed my eyelids, and now I'm going to dive into the eyeshadows. Okay, the first color that I'm going to use is from the palette Love Disco Lust, this one from NYX, and I'm going to use the 6 eyeshadow. The sixth one is this one, this brown color. Yeah, I'm going to start with this one. Okay, now I'm going to use the number 9 from the same palette. This one, that it's a really dark brown, and I'm going to use this brush that it's a little bit flat but it's fluffy because I want to place my eyeshadow in this area, and this brush is perfect for that. Now with a bigger brush, I'm going to blend everything together so that I don't have harsh lines and it makes everything prettier. So I'm going to cut my crease with this pointed brush and with the same concealer that I used before. Now I'm going to put in the new base, I guess, the color 5 from the same palette. Place it with my finger, yeah. But now, because we are getting at this part of the edge, I'm going with this tiny brush, tiny flat brush, and I'm packing the eyeshadow just like this. I'm going to clean this edge with the same brush that I used before, and I'm going to mix a little bit of my concealer with my foundation because the concealer is really pale and I don't want a really bright color in here. You're going to see how it looks. Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. Now I'm going to put under my eyes the honey color and the dark brown, just like this. Wait, just like this. I'm going to put a champagne color in my inner corner and in my brow bone, and it is the second color of the palette. I'm going to show you this one. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. In here it looks like it is like a white color, but when I put it looks like champagne, and it's really pretty. I really like it. Look. You can see it? Really pretty. Now in my brow bone, just like this. I'm going to put the highlighter now in this part of my face because I'm going to do this eye off camera next. So yeah, makeup has no rules, I do it like I want. And I'm going to use the Flormar highlighter, and I don't have the name in here, but I'm going to put every makeup product that I used on this video in the description box. So if you want to see the name of this highlighter, you can always go down there. I'm going to use this brush. A technique that I learned from Patrick Star to put highlighter on the bridge of your nose in here is you put your brush like this on the product. You take the excess, but I'm not going to take the excess. Yeah, and then you need to place it just like this and create a fine line. And be careful because you can lose the control and not place it where you want. So you just do it like this on the cupid's bow. And a little bit on the chin. I'm going to do this eye off camera. I'm going to put mascara and my lashes on. Okay? I'll be right back. I'm back with the lashes that I'm using are the 3D Vixen from Primark. And now let's move on to lips. I'm going to use a red lip. I'm going to line my lips with the Lip Matic 04 from Pierre René Professional. This lipstick is from AVON, we say AVON, so yeah, and is the color Red 200. This is a really pretty look. I'm going to leave some pictures. I hope you like it. And again, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media.